Sawadika, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a special dish called the Belacan Fried Rice. This Belacan Fried Rice is passed down from my mother, who's a Thai, and I can assure you that it is very nice. First, whisk 4 eggs in a bowl until fully combined. Then fry it as you normally would. Now we must cut the shallots into thin slices. Cut the chicken breast all into small bite-sized cubes as well. Now slice the apples like this. You can use a shredder if you have, to make life easier. Better not waste that delicious apple core. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Now let's peel off our mango skin and chop them up as fast as a ninja. Just kidding, please don't hurt yourself. And slice your omelette into thin slices as well. And there you have it, your fresh garnishing is ready. Heat your pan on high heat and pour in general amounts of oil. Once oil is hot, throw in your dry prawns. Remember to wash it before frying to remove unwanted dirt. Oh my goodness, so cute. It's like the dry prawns are having a nice bubble bath. Oh, a pretty hot one. Sorry, prawns. Once the dry prawns are golden brown and crispy, you can remove them using a sieve and set aside. Now let's peel off the skin of the lemongrass and slice them up. And we only need a little bit of lengkuas, so here I'm aggressively trying to chop it. Remove the skin and cut into smaller pieces. And give it a little rinse. See, we are only using a handful of this. I'm beating 10 chili padi so the spiciness will come out. So to all you daredevils out there, go a bit harder. Using 2 tablespoons of oil, let's saute the lemongrass, lengkuas, and chili padi. Oops, I forgot that we needed to add some garlic cloves too. Add your chicken. Guys, don't forget to add some garlic to enhance the taste. Well, anyway, it works too without garlic. Now add in generous amounts of oyster sauce. The more the merrier. And now with some black kicap caramel sauce. Wow, so sharp. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil on a low heat. And add 2 tablespoons of belacan powder. You use leftover rice that has been refrigerated overnight. This makes sure the rice won't stick to each other. Now add your chili padi. Mine are looking pretty sad, but it's because my grandchildren will tahan spicy food so weak. Of course, add more chili padi to here to suit your taste buds. Now add in the dry prawns and you are done. This is how we decorate our plate. It's free and easy, so have fun with the process. Remember that cooking for your family or yourself should always be an enjoyable journey. It's even better when everyone shares it together. And this is my serving size, Mwahaha. Now I'm having my Belacan Fried Rice. It is best to eat with my sambal belacan. Very spicy, but it is nice. It is very delicious. Aroy mak-mak. Aroy mak-mak means very delicious in Thai. For watching my video, like and subscribe.
Not subscribe. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. That's all. ขอรู้เอาเลยไป